Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both the car and your phone so the connection is reliable. Plug an Apple-approved cable into the car's USB port or activate wireless CarPlay in the head unit. On your iPhone, unlock it, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and watch for the CarPlay permission pop-up. Accept it. This first step ensures a stable handshake between devices. Once done, the system can detect your phone and present the CarPlay interface automatically, avoiding connection drops later on. Now you initiate the actual connection and configure how CarPlay behaves. From the infotainment screen, choose CarPlay or press the voice button to start pairing. Follow prompts on both screens to trust the device and permit notifications. Make sure to select the apps you want visible and arrange them in iPhone settings under General then CarPlay so your layout matches your driving needs. This step controls safety and convenience. Once configured, commonly used navigation and audio apps appear instantly. To operate CarPlay, rely on Siri for messages and navigation, or tap apps on the screen for media and calls. This keeps your eyes on the road while giving full access to functions. If CarPlay fails to appear, first swap the USB cable or toggle wireless CarPlay off and on, then reboot your iPhone and the head unit. As a deeper fix, reset network settings or update iOS and vehicle firmware. Compatibility updates often resolve recurring pairing problems and improve stability and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.